Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of gardening with some simple DIY projects that anyone can try. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, these projects will help you enhance your outdoor space and bring a touch of nature to your home. From creating raised garden beds to building vertical gardens, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we jump into projects, let's assess your space. Consider how much sunlight your area receives, the type of soil you have, and the space available for planting. If you have a sunny balcony, you might want to focus on container gardening. If you have a yard, raised beds could be a great option. Next, choose plants that are easy to grow and suited for your climate. Herbs like basil and mint, vegetables like tomatoes and peppers, and flowers like marigolds are great options for beginners. Consider starting with seeds or young plants from a local nursery to make the process easier. For our first project, we'll create a raised garden bed. Here's what you'll need. Wooden planks, cedar or untreated pine work well, screws or nails, soil and compost mix, and tools such as a drill, saw, and measuring tape. Let's build the raised garden bed together. Follow these steps. Decide on the size of your bed. A common size is 4 feet by 4 feet. Cut the wooden planks to the desired lengths. Using screws or nails, assemble the frame by attaching the corners. Place the frame in your desired location, ensuring it gets plenty of sunlight. Fill the bed with a mix of soil and compost, leaving a few inches at the top. Now it's time to plant. Follow the spacing guidelines on seed packets or plant labels. Water gently after planting and keep an eye on your new garden. Next, we'll create a vertical garden, perfect for small spaces. Here's what you'll need. A wooden pallet or a trellis, small pots or fabric, grow bags, soil, and plants. Let's build the vertical garden together. If using a pallet, make sure it's clean and free of chemicals. You can sand it down for safety. Use a staple gun or screws to attach small pots or fabric grow bags to the pallet. Ensure they're secure. Lean the pallet against a wall or fence in a sunny spot. Fill the pots with soil and plant your chosen herbs or flowers. Water your vertical garden regularly, and consider using a drip irrigation system for convenience. Prune plants as needed to encourage growth. Container gardening is a fantastic option for those with limited space. You can use pots, buckets, or even recycled materials like old crates or tin cans. Make sure your containers have drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Let's plant some herbs in containers. Here's how. Start with a layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage, then fill with potting soil. Select herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro, which thrive in containers. Plant according to the spacing guidelines and water thoroughly. Add a personal touch to your containers by painting them or adding decorative labels. This not only enhances your garden's aesthetic but also helps you keep track of what you've planted. Watering is crucial for plant health. Aim to water early in the morning or late in the afternoon to reduce evaporation. Use a balanced fertilizer every few weeks to promote growth. Keep an eye out for pests. Use natural pest control methods such as introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs or using neem oil for treatment. Be aware of the seasons and what plants thrive during each. Plan your planting schedule accordingly. And don't forget to prepare your garden for winter by mulching and protecting delicate plants. Creating a beautiful garden doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With these simple DIY projects and tips, you can transform your outdoor space into a flourishing oasis. Remember to start small, enjoy the process, and watch your garden grow. Thank you for joining us for these DIY garden projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to The Basics Hub for more gardening tips and DIY ideas. We'd love to see your gardening projects, so share your photos in the comments below.